mamas, what's poppin'? Welcome back to another video. For those that are new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today's video, we're going to be doing a affordable skincare routine. This is going to be like an affordable skincare routine for beginners. Like if you're just starting out, you're not really sure like what products to get. I'm going to show you all what my skincare routine is. My skin type is like combination skin. Sometimes my skin is very dry. Sometimes my skin can be a little oily, like especially like around my forehead or my nose area. So yeah, if you have like that type of skin type, then keep on watching. Just a little disclaimer, our skin is all different, so what I'm showing you may not be what works best for you, but these are just some things that I use that work for me. So yeah, and they're super affordable. So let's get right into it. Okay y'all, so I've already washed my face, so my face is extremely dry, which that is to be expected. I'm going to show you all what I use and like some different things that you all can use that's super affordable. We're going to be using a lip mask because my lips are pretty dry, so I'm going to be using from Fenty Skin. This is the Plush Pudding Intensive Recovery Lip Mask. This is in the scent Salted Caramel. This is like literally one of my favorites, y'all. I actually got this on sale from Sephora when they had I think it was like the holiday season. I got it on sale for like $11. So your girl literally racked up on this. I got like 3 of these, y'all, because this is my favorite. If you are like looking for a lip mask, I highly suggest this one. And I also like the one that is Laneige, that brand. I like the vanilla one, and they also have an eggnog one. I'm not sure if they still have it now, but that was like for the holiday season. So yeah, between those two, those are really good. The Fenty one is on the thicker side. The Laneige is like on the thinner side, so it's a little bit more glossy. But I alternate between both of them. Super affordable. I think the normal price for this is like $23. So I like how you can just twist the bottom and it comes right out. And it smells so good, y'all. If you're into like vanilla scents and salted caramel, things like that, because it literally smells like salted caramel. So I love that, and it's very moisturizing. This is the Kale plus green tea and spinach. This is really good, y'all. I have been using this for a long time. This runs, let me see, I think this is $39. Yes, this is $39 on Sephora, but they also have a mini size, and the mini size is $16. So if that's a little bit too pricey for y'all, I will highly suggest to use the Sephora brand. The Sephora brand is pretty good, y'all. Not as sudsy as the You to the People. This one is very sudsy. This one is not. This one does feel very moisturizing on the skin though. This one kind of dries your face out a little bit. So yeah, if you want to just try these out, if you want to try this one, I will highly suggest to get the mini size first, just to see if you like it or not. $16. This one I believe is like $20. So yeah, it's still not bad. To the People has really good products, so I do like them, but they can get a little pricey. So yeah, but both of these are good. So now that I'm finished washing my face, I like to use this cleansing towels. I've just recently started using this, y'all, because I've been having like really bad breakouts on my forehead. So I'm trying to like see what's causing that. I don't know if it's like because of my towel or if it's my edge controller that I use in my hair, but that's a different story. But using like a towel, like your regular hand towel, it holds bacteria and germs. So I just decided to switch out, and I actually got this from Amazon. So they have a 50 count, which I got, which is $17.05, which is not too bad. It's under $20. I feel like this is definitely worth it because these are disposable. So once you get finished wiping your face off, you can just go ahead and just throw it in the trash. And also I noticed like I see dirt, like even when you're like finished washing your face, I see a little dirt that gets on here, and I'm like, okay, we need to go back in, maybe exfoliate or maybe wash again. So yeah, I really do like these. They're very thick, and 50 is honestly a lot in my opinion. So yeah, definitely check these out if you're interested. Oh my god, yeah, excuse my face. I'm like having something is like messing with me in this bathroom. I don't know, my eyes starting to get red. Excuse that. But anyway, the next step in my skincare is going to be an exfoliator. I like to use an exfoliator because I feel like it really gets deep into the skin and takes away the dirt that I didn't get rid of when I was washing my face. So 2 types that I like to use is the Paula's Choice. This one is $14. The next size up, which is this one, I think is like $34. So I feel like these really do last for a little minute because you don't need a lot. This is really good. It's for all skin types. It has salicylic acid in it and 2% BHA. So I really do love that because it gets deep into the skin, gets that dirt out. So we're going to go ahead and use this. If I don't use this, if I just want to keep it light, like maybe at nighttime, I do like to use this witch hazel toner. This I just like to spray on my face. This really does work too, y'all. It gets rid of that dirt that's like deep inside that you don't get out when you're just washing it. This is very, very affordable. This one is $6.99 that I actually got from Marshall's. So yeah, Marshall's always is stocked up on the Thayers, the name brand Thayers. They're literally always stocked up. So yeah, between these two, these are pretty good. I'm gonna use this one specifically though because I haven't used it. Usually I try to like alternate. I use one in the morning, one at night. So I'm going to use this first, and I'm just going to put some on a cotton round. Okay, so I just have these little cotton rounds. I actually get these cotton rounds from Target, and they're like, I think like $2, y'all. So yeah, you already know you can get cotton rounds anywhere. So you don't need a lot. I'm just gonna, I really be trying to focus on my forehead because like I told y'all, my forehead has really been breaking out. But I have been using something. I'm gonna show y'all what I've been using, and I feel like it's really helped. I just need to focus on the dark marks that I have that are left over from the breakouts. And y'all see like, y'all see the dirt. Like no ma'am. So yeah, I really love using this because it really gets that dirt. Alright y'all, so I do go in with a serum, but the serum that I have is, in my opinion, not affordable. So I'm not even going to show y'all that, and y'all probably already know what serum I use if you're subscribed to my channel because I do my skincare routine kind of a lot. So yeah, we're going to skip that for today. But if I would choose a serum, it would probably be like The Ordinary because their serums are very affordable. Just make sure that it mixes well with like your moisturizers because The Ordinary didn't really mix well with the moisturizer that I was using, and it would kind of create like a little not a cast, but it was just like stringy stuff that would like come on my face. So just make sure that it mixes well with your moisturizers. And then after I would use my serum, I like to go in with this Laneige Cream Skin. I really do like this, y'all. It feels really good on my skin. So I have this one right here. This is the smallest size, and this one is $16. And then the price just goes up, of course, like within the type of fluid ounces you get. So this is the cheapest one, which is $16. I feel like that's not bad. It's lasting me a pretty good while, y'all. Like I said, half of these products that I use, a little goes a long way. You really don't be needing that much. So I'm just gonna use this. One thing I wish that it had like a little pump that you can pour it out instead of just pouring it on your hand. I think the bigger size, it has a pump. But yeah, I'm just going to put this all over my face. If you have really dry skin, I feel like this is definitely really good because you can immediately feel the moisture that's going into your skin. This is honestly giving me like a really good hydrating serum, if I can say. Yeah, I feel like it's really like a hydrating serum. You can honestly wear this without no moisturizer, in my opinion, because it just feels so moisturizing. Y'all see how my skin is already like looking moisturized? We love that. Yeah, it feels really good too, y'all. I love this. Okay, so the next thing that I like to use is my sunscreen. I don't care if it's not sunny outside. I do not care, y'all. I feel like I want to really be consistent with using my sunscreen because that is supposed to help with dark marks as well. And y'all know what's going on over here. We need to get that together. Okay, so the one that I like to use is from Innisfree. This is the 1.69 fluid ounce, and this is $18. Their products are very affordable, y'all. I'm going to show y'all something else that I have from them. It's super affordable. So yeah, and this honestly goes a long way too because I only use this once a day. I don't use it twice a day, so that probably helps with how much I'm using. And this smells pretty good too, y'all. I've used different types of like sunscreens, and I feel like they burn my eyes. So yeah, this one I have no problems with it. So, and I have pretty sensitive skin too, so yeah, I feel like this is like a 10 out of 10. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this on. And this doesn't leave a white cast, which I love because I hate to be using a sunscreen and it's like super white. So this does not leave a white cast. Okay, so this is the next thing that I have from Innisfree. This is the green tea caffeine bright eye serum. It looks like this. I really do like this, y'all, because it has like a little roll-on ball that you could just roll up under your eyes. So it kind of like massages up under your eye. And I believe this is a Korean skincare company. So y'all know Korean skincare is really good. So this is a 0.33 fluid ounce and this is $22, which is not bad. I'm just gonna put a little bit up under my eyes, and you really don't need a lot either with this too, y'all, because a little goes a long way. So we're just gonna put some up under our eyes. Okay, so let's get into some moisturizer. So the one that I have been using recently is from Kiehl's. It looks like this. This is their Ultra Facial Cream, and this is the 0.9 ounce. This is $25. So this is my new one. So I'm going to use the one that's not open, but this is the one that I use. And I feel like it's really nothing that special about this moisturizer, I don't think. I've been using it for a little minute. I feel like, I mean, it's moisturizing, but it's not like something that's like, whoa, I need this, you know. But I do like it. I feel like this is really good for like a beginner. Cause it's not too complicated. It's nothing like, you know, it's not too much. And y'all, I really be getting all my skincare from either Sephora or I get it from Ulta. Like Kiehl's, you can get it from Ulta as well. Yeah. But for the most part, I be getting my stuff from Sephora. Alright, so we have done literally our whole skincare, y'all. My skincare is so simple. It's straight to the point. It's not anything extra unless I feel like I'm having like really bad breakouts. But one thing I try to like incorporate in my skincare often is a face mask. So I have these face masks from Dr. Jart. These are my favorite. I like getting the face mask from the Sephora brand too, y'all. They have pretty good face masks, and I think their face masks are $8. But I get like a pack of these from Marshall's. I think I paid $10.99. So yeah, and it comes like with a pack of 5. So honestly, that's very affordable. You get 5 packs, which is really good. So yeah, we're gonna use this face mask. You can get these from Sephora, but they're a little bit more pricier than Marshall's, of course. So yeah, we're gonna use this. Pop her open. I like to put this on once I'm done with my whole entire skincare because I feel like it just lets everything just get deep into my skin, which we need, girl. So yeah, because my skin can be a little dry. Sometimes it can be greasy, but during the winter months, it's honestly on the drier side. So yeah, we're going to put this face mask on, and I'm probably going to leave it on for about like 10 to 15 minutes. Sometimes I like to leave it on when it's like completely dry because it be so much like product. Y'all see that? It be so much product, y'all. So I'll be liking it to like really be like dry. So we're gonna put this on. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna keep this on for like 10 minutes. And period. This is basically the end of my skincare, y'all. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know what else y'all would like to see. Alright, girls, so that is the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what other videos y'all would like to see from me. I enjoy doing skincare, body care, things like that. So yeah, leave some comments down below. Let's chit chat, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Peace.